Chiliz value equivalent to 2.1749 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1264 to 2.2151. The earlier day close, 2.1865. The change was 0.0116, 0.53%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 2.22 rands, high 2.38, low 2.06. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz estimate on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 2.19 rands, high 2.34, low 2.04. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April 3, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. April 4, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April 5, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. Chiliz estimate on Thursday. April 6, cost 2.23 rands, high 2.39, low 2.07. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April 7, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Monday. April 10, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April 11, cost 2.27 rands, high 2.43, low 2.11. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday. April 12, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April 13, cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. Chiliz estimate on Friday. April 14, cost 2.29 rands, high 2.45, low 2.13. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April 17, cost 2.44 rands, high 2.61, low 2.27. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. April 18, cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April 19, cost 2.55 rands, high 2.73, low 2.37. Chiliz gauge on Thursday. April 20, cost 2.37 rands, high 2.54, low 2.20. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April 21, cost 2.16 rands, high 2.31, low 2.01. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Monday. April 24, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. April 25, cost 2.16 rands, high 2.31, low 2.01. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. April 26, cost 2.16 rands, high 2.31, low 2.01. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for walk 2023. Before all else cost at 2.41 rands. Excessive cost 2.56, while low cost 1.88. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.19. Change for spring 9.1%. Chiliz conjecture for April 2023. Before all else cost at 2.19 rands. Excessive cost 2.73, while low cost 1.87. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.25. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.19. Change for April 0.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 2.19 rands. Excessive cost 2.43, while low cost 2.11. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.25. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.27. Change for May 3.7%. Chiliz gauge for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.81, while low cost 2.27. They found the middle value of cost 2.50. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.63, change for June 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.63, while low cost 2.06. They found the middle value of cost 2.38. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.21, change for July 16.0%. Chiliz estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.21, while low cost 1.73. The found the middle value of cost 2.00. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.86, change for August 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.88, while low cost 1.64. The found the middle value of cost 1.79. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.76, change for September 5.4%. Chiliz estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.76 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.16, while low cost 1.76. The found the middle value of cost 1.93. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.02, change for October 14.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 2.02 rands. Excessive cost 2.50, while low cost 2.02. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.22. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.34, change for November 15.8%. Chiliz figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 2.34 rands. Excessive cost 2.90, while low cost 2.34. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.57. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.71, change for December 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 2.71 rands. Excessive cost 2.71, while low cost 2.12. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.46. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.28, change for January 15.9%. Chiliz figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 2.28 rands. Excessive cost 2.28, while low cost 1.79. The found the middle value of cost 2.07. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.92, change for February 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 1.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.92, while low cost 1.50. They found the middle value of cost 1.74. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.61. Change for spring 16.1% ZAR to CHZ conversion standard equivalent to 0.4598 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4515 minus 0.4703. The earlier days nearby 0.4574. Change for now plus 0.0024 plus 0.52%. ZAR to CHZ cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. WAC 28, cost 0.450 coins, high 0.485, low 0.420. ZAR to CHZ forecast on Wednesday. WAC 29, cost 0.452 coins, high 0.485, low 0.420.